Okay, so let's begin. So in the first round, you have to give your introduction within 40 seconds, and then you have to say something about the given topic. Okay, so let's begin from here. Start.
My
While
name,
sitting. हाँ बैठे बैठे.
my name is Nikhil Bhardwaj. I am from village Biharpur in district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have done my 12th class from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University. My habits are reading books and playing cricket. I am optimist and self-confident. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my dream since childhood and I love its discipline and its glory. Now I want to discuss about the topic. Every year tobacco smoking cost of hundred of lives. Yes, it's true that in India hundreds of lives are cost due to tobacco smoking. But more than
Okay, stop. Thank you. Next.
I am Somlangi. I belong to village Kedaslampur, district Bagpat in UP. I have completed my 12th from CBSE board and I am pursuing BSc third year from Subhadhi University, Meerut. My hobbies are watching movies and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a prestigious and honorable job and there is no discrimination between any caste, greed and religion in Indian Air Force. So today our topic is tobacco smoking. As all of us know that tobacco smoking cases many death than any other disease in India.
Nice.
So
Next.
Hello everyone, firstly I would like to thank you for giving me the total opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manish Gilok. I belong to Khalidpur, district Bagpat, UP West. I have done my 12th from UP board and now I am pursuing BSc second year from Subhadhi University, Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket, kabaddi and also my favorite long running. My strength, I believe in teamwork and I have self-confident and motivated person. I have positive attitude towards all things. I never give up easily.
Don't talk, please.
I never give up easily. My strength, my aim to join Air Force. I want to become a part of Indian Air Force because it is respectable job in our society and also it is my childhood dream. So now come to the topic. So today's topic is tobacco must ban in India. So yes, I am in favor for ban tobacco in India.
Okay, stop. Next.
Hello, good morning to all of you. My name is Javi Kumar from village Gorana, district Bagpat. I have passed out my 10 plus 2 from Sram Inter College with 84% and now I pursue my graduation from CCS University. My strength is I believe in teamwork and I want to join Indian Air Force because when I see a soldier my heart filled with inspire and I want to touch the sky with glory. Now we are discussing about the topic tobacco must be banned in India. I think that tobacco must ban in India. I agree because many population of India die due to tobacco. So and many home destroyed due to tobacco.
Next.
Hello friends, I am Rohit. I have done 12th from Stanford and now I am pursuing BCA from Subhadhi University, Meerut. My hobbies are reading good books and playing games. And my strengths, I am confident, self-confident, and believe that in teamwork and in actions I am optimistic. I have self attitude. I have positive attitude in towards all things. I never give up easily. My aims, I want to join Indian Force because it is a respectable job in our society. Today's my topic is tobacco must ban be in India. Every year tobacco kills lots of people in our country.
Stop. Next.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vikrant. I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. I completed 12th class from CBSE board and now I am pursuing BA from CCS University, Meerut. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my parents' dream and me also. It is most respectable job in our society. There is no discrimination between any religion or caste. So I am trying to be a part of this glorious family of Indian Air Force. Now I am going to discuss our topic. Our topic is tobacco must be banned in India. It must be banned, but in a slow process, with a proper plan under the government. It is not only dangerous for the people who intake it. It is dangerous for everything around us. It create.
Stop. Next.
Good morning friends, my name is Sagar Rajput and I belong to village Ilwadi district Bagpat in UP. I have passed my 10 plus 2 in 2019 and got 85% in my intermediate class. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movie and reading books, meditation and yogas. I want to join Indian Air Force being an airman because it is a respectable job in our society and I like the charm of its uniform. Today's our topic is Tambaku must be banned in India or not. We know very well that everything has its pros and cons. If we talk about the pros on the tobacco, then we have we know that every year mostly people die from the intake the tobacco more than the intake the alcohol and accident and other disease also. If we are talking the cons of it, then we have in tobacco industries provide a big revenue to our government.
Hello friends, my name is Rohit Sharma. I belong to Jodi district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I completed 12 from Central Board. Now I am pursuing BA from CCS University. My hobbies are playing cricket and chess. My aim, I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job in our society. I have self-confidence. I believe in action. Now the topic is tobacco ban in India.
Nice. Okay, next.
Hello friends, my name is Avani Sharma. I belong to village Jodi district Bapa from UP. Now I have completed my 12th from CBSE board in 2019. Now I am pursuing BA from CCS University in Meerut. My hobbies are playing chess and cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because its uniform is very attractive and the charm of this job is increasing day by day. I have self-confidence and I believe in teamwork also. Now the given topic is tobacco must be banned in India. Yes, as far as I consider, I am favor in tobacco must be banned in India because it.
Good afternoon all, I am Siddharth Man. I belong to Adampur district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I passed my intermediate in 2019 with 77% and now I am pursuing BA second year from CCS University. My hobbies are playing, studying and reading newspaper. I am very self-confident, optimistic and believes in teamwork. Now I want to give some light on the topic which has been given to me, that is tobacco and smoking. It is very dangerous and as we all know it costs hundreds of lives every year. But banning of tobacco is not the only solution because if we ban tobacco, the farmers who plug only tobacco will post there as jobless, and also we should find alternative and I think we should.
Next.
Good morning to all. I am Ritik Kumar. I am from village Byaripur, district Bagpat in UP. I have completed my 12th from Central Board and O-level in computer. Now I am pursuing BA. I have positive attitude towards all the things. I am stubborn towards my aim and I want to be an airman because my father was a soldier and I love it very much. Today I am here with my topic, tobacco must be banned in India. Yeah, sure, tobacco must be banned in India because many countries have banned tobacco. And in India last year, 32 lakh people were killed due to chewing of tobacco. Therefore, it is very necessary to ban tobacco in India.
सोचो भी आगे और क्या बोलना है सेकंड राउंड के लिए.
Hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Kapil Kumar. I am from Hazurabad Gadi, district Bagpat in UP. I have done my 12th in 2018. Now I am pursuing BSc from CCS University. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading novels. My aim, I am self-confidence and optimism. I have positive attitude towards all things. I never give up easily. My aim to join Indian Air Force as a man because it is a respectable goal. Now I am come to my points. In my opinion, tobacco should be banned in India because it is harmful for one body. Many cases of dry addiction is related to tobacco. So we can.
Okay, stop. Next. Start.
Good afternoon friends, I am Nitin Upar and I am from Barwala village, district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have done done my 12th class from State Board and now I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading storybooks, and I want to join Indian Air Force and serve our nation as a defense person because it is a respectable job in our society. So friends, today's our topic is should tobacco ban in India or not? I think the tobacco must be banned in India because as all we know that more than thousands of people were died from tobacco and it's directly affected to our lungs. Thanks.
Start.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shobh Tomar. I belong to village Baraula, district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have done my 10 plus 2 with PCM stream. Currently I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. My aim is to join Indian Air Force because I like the charm of its uniform. I am self-confident and I believe in excellent teamwork. Today our topic is tobacco should be banned in India or not. As you all know that in India many people die due to the intake of tobacco per year, and I think it should be the completely ban of tobacco is not the right solution of this problem.
Nice.
Because
Stop. Next.
Hello friends, my name is Shiva. I am from Sabga. I have passed my 12th class with 75% marks in PCM stream from UP board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from Chaudhary Chand Singh University, Meerut. My aim is to join Indian Air Force because it's my childhood dream, and in this way I want to serve my country. Today we are discussing the topic tobacco should be banned or not. In my opinion, yes, tobacco should be banned because tobacco kills most of people in India more than other diseases.
Okay, stop. Start.
My name is Vijayan. I am from village Gadabra, district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I passed my 12th class from CCS University, passed State Board, and currently I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and reading books. I am enthusiastic and determined boy. I want to join Indian Force because it is a respectable job in our society and there is no discrimination in social selection process as based on caste, religion, etc. Social selection process is very fair. Today I want to discuss the topic tobacco ban in India. Tobacco is a product in which the content of the nicotine is very high. It caused a lot of disease many years as asthma, like cancer. It should be banned in India because it caused a lot of people die in India as compared to liver.
Okay, stop.